Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a classic staple for your eye makeup collection, the COVERGIRL Perfect Blend Eyeliner Pencil in Basic Black. Whether you're a fan of sharp, precise lines or a more smudged, smoky look, this pencil promises versatility. Let's see how it performs. This eyeliner pencil is all about blending. With its smooth glide-on formula, it's designed to create either bold, defined lines or a softer, more diffused effect, depending on your technique. The pencil features a built-in blending tip, which is ideal for those who love a smoky, smudged eye look. It's a straightforward product, but let's break it down. The formula of the Perfect Blend Eyeliner Pencil is creamy and highly pigmented, which is essential for any eyeliner. One swipe gives you that deep black color, and it's not too dry, so it glides on effortlessly. The inclusion of the blending tip is a nice touch, allowing you to create that diffused effect without needing an additional tool or brush. It's incredibly user-friendly, especially for those who are new to makeup or anyone looking to quickly pull together a versatile eye look. From a practical standpoint, I tested this eyeliner throughout the day, and here's what I found. The pencil applied smoothly without any tugging, which is a big plus for sensitive skin around the eyes. Once applied, it stayed put for a decent amount of time, around 6 hours before showing any signs of fading. Of course, it didn't make it through a full 12-hour workday without needing a touch-up, but I've seen worse. The blending tip is useful for quickly fixing any mistakes or adding a soft, smokier look to the line. But if you're looking for precise, defined lines that won't budge, you might want to set it with a bit of eyeshadow. On the plus side, this pencil is quite affordable, making it a great option for anyone looking for a budget-friendly eyeliner that still delivers. However, the longevity could be better. If you have oily eyelids or live in a hot climate, you might find that it smudges more easily than you'd like. The built-in blending tip is a convenient feature, but I do wonder if it contributes to the formula's tendency to soften up throughout the day. In terms of value for money, it's a solid purchase if you're on the hunt for an eyeliner that gives you flexibility without breaking the bank. It's not a high-end product, but it does the job, especially for daily wear or a casual night out. The price is definitely justified if you consider the performance and the convenience of the blending tip. If you're someone who prefers a pencil eyeliner that stays put throughout the day, there are other options available, like gel liners or more long-wearing formulas. But for the price, the COVERGIRL Perfect Blend Pencil is definitely a strong contender for those who appreciate versatility and ease of use. The pencil feels sturdy and has a classic design, so you can easily toss it into your bag without worrying about it breaking or being too bulky. It's simple but functional, with no unnecessary bells and whistles. Now, if you're after a product that's going to last longer without budging, I'd recommend trying a waterproof eyeliner option or a gel formula that sets quicker. But for a quick, easy eyeliner that's perfect for beginners or those who like to experiment with softer, blended looks, this is a solid choice. If you're curious about this product, the link to purchase is in the description box below. And if you've tried this eyeliner before, we'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment and let us know how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.